Croatia, a country which has a long and scenic coastline, gorgeous natural landscapes, several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and the most beautiful scenic beaches with clear blue water. In this video, we will take you to the virtual tour of Blue Cave, which has been growing in popularity with tourists. It now attracts over 100,000 visitors every summer. For one cave, that's insane, right? But before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel for more travel related videos and enjoy this intro.
I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. We're not stop
In this video, I will try to cover most of the questions that will arise in your mind before planning a trip for Blue Cave. Like how you can reach Blue Cave, or what is the best time to visit, or how you can utilize the full day. So watch the video till end, and also during the video I will try to share some tips. Now we are going to take the boat trip to reach Blue Cave. We already reached Var Island yesterday night, and we took our hotel in Starigard, which is near to the port where mostly the big cruises comes from Split. You need to book a boat trip for Blue Cave. You cannot reach there by your own boat or a rented boat. You can basically take the boat tour from the Split or Var Island. We have reached Var city center and parked our car a little bit away from the Var city center for free. I have shared the free parking location in the description box. Now we are going towards our tour guide office. This is our tour guide office. The Blue Cave group excursion will start around 10:30 in the morning and we will return at around 6 o'clock in the evening. This is Var city center. It is famous for its wild party scene, the nightclubs and the beach bars. Now we are going to take the boat ride, and this is our captain and guide.
Over the boat. Also there is a fridge with few bottles of water and beer for each one of you. Does anybody maybe want to put the music on the Bluetooth to be a DJ?
I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know.
This is our first spot of the day trip. This is very beautiful beach. Name is Blue Lagoon. But be careful, it's a rocky beach. So bring your sandals or the swim shoes for the water. This is Green Cave and our second destination or second spot of the day trip. But there is a catch. You need to pay 50 kuna per person for just swimming here. So our captain told he will take us to a new destination where we can swim, and it is much better than this place. Now we are going to Steneva Island. It's a pretty crowded beach. It has a spectacular view as well. You can either swim inside the bay from the boat or walk down a rather steep path. The water is crystal clear and we need to go to the next spot now. This place has no cell coverage or Wi-Fi. Now we are sitting in front of Pant Cave. I think you can understand why it is called Pant Cave. It feels like someone is wearing a pant and standing on the water. Now we have reached the island from where the tour guide will take us to the Blue Cave. This is the office from where we can buy the tickets. The ticket price is 70 kuna or around 9 euro. Inside the Blue Cave, only this kind of small boats are allowed. So we have boarded the boat and started our journey. The Blue Cave is a waterlogged sea cave located in Croatia. This is one of the best known natural beauty spot in the Adriatic, and it is popular because of the glowing blue light that appears naturally.
It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
The small opening that you can see, we are going to use that to enter inside the Blue Cave.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in.
The cave was discovered back in 1884 by an Austrian painter called Eugene Ransonnet. Okay, when he came here for the first time with the locals, he entered through an entrance which is not this one, because this is an artificial entrance. This was blown out by dynamite back in the day, so we could enter by a boat. But back in the day, he entered and he spent 2 hours here because he was so astonished by the beauty you were about to see. The locals thought he was dead, but he came out crying from how astonished he was. Some of you can already see it. You can see the blue.
You might be thinking, there is an artificial blue light inside the cave. But no, it's all natural. It is really a magical experience. After coming out of the Blue Cave, still everyone is looking into the same cave. Now we are feeling hungry and we are going towards our last spot, which is Palmizana beach. There we will have our lunch as well.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Now we are inside the restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Bachos. This is one of the best restaurant here. And the food is a little expensive.
You fade away.
So first we ordered coffee, and then we will eat chicken fillet with French fries and prawn pasta.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's
It is 6 o'clock in the evening now, but you won't be able to understand by looking into the sky. Now we are returning to the Var Island from where we started our journey. Then we will go to Split, because tomorrow we will be going to Golden Horn Beach, which is one of the most popular beach in Croatia. So in the next video, I will take you to the virtual trip of Golden Horn Beach, and please subscribe our channel so that you won't miss any new videos in future. So bye for now and see you in the next video.